Hi everyone, this is Ken Lai. The book I would like to share with everyone today is Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits is one of New York Times bestseller which has sold more than 1 million copies worldwide. In this video, you'll be able to learn that even tiny change of habits can overturn your life now. We know habits can change a person, and we have an idea on why habits can change a person too. But do you know how to change your habits to change yourself? There are some books on the market related to habits, but the majority are focused on the effects of habit change, and few concentrates on the practical side. This book will guide you to change yourself with certain effective ways. The author of this book is James Clear. James Clear researched on habits for quite a bit of time and are well known for his online articles as well. Small habits can have powerful impacts on your life. However, you should recognize that change requires patience. For example, if you are having a double cheeseburger for your dinner, it will not cause you to be overweight immediately. But if you eat it every single day for a year or so, you will be definitely out of shape next year. If you are out of shape now, work out for 20 minutes today, you will still be out of shape tomorrow. But if you continue work out daily for 20 minutes, you will eventually get leaner and fitter because our choices will compound into major results. For most good habits, most of us know we should be doing it. Let's take an example. Working out after work is a good habit. However, it requires a lot of effort. Hence, we normally spend time on behavior that are easy. For example, scrolling through social media or watching Netflix, which costs zero effort. Make behaviors as easy as possible is key to turn them into habits. In this book, the author suggested that there are a few tricks that are very effective. First, you can focus on reduced friction for good habits. If you want to spend more time on jogging after work, get your sports shoes ready on somewhere you will see right after work. On the contrary, you can increase friction on bad habits. If you want to spend less time on playing games on your phone, try uninstall it from your phone. With that, it will introduce enough friction to ensure you only play when you really want to. The second trick is the 2 minutes rule, a way to make any new activity looks easily achievable, as it recognizes that getting started is the first and most important step in building a good habit. If you want to read more, instead of read one book a week, make a habit of reading 2 minutes per night. As it is easily achievable, once after you read 2 minutes, you are likely to continue. The above is the content in the Atomic Habits that I want to share with you this time. Let us recap again. Small change can have a powerful impact on your life. However, it requires patience. Keep behaviors as easy as possible is the key to turning it into habits. You can increase friction on bad habits and decrease friction on good habits. Start a new good habit for 2 minutes per night. You'll be likely to continue for long after that. If you find this content is useful and might help your friends, please give us a like and share it. Please click subscribe so you won't miss my next video. If you would like me to share it in Mandarin, please leave a comment below. See you next time.